What's up, Dreamedia family? This is Zach. Welcome back to another episode. If you're not familiar with Dreamedia, you gotta head over and check out all of our amazing content. Everything from killer hi-fi to home theater, unboxing videos, how-to videos, we have it all here, guys. And we are your one-stop shop for everything that you need electronic related for your home. Whether it's projectors, speakers, TVs, or furniture, we have it all. Today, I'm gonna be discussing this killer setup that we have right here and some of the key components that make this room what we think will be some of our best-selling equipment going into 2024. We have the HiSense U800-inch mini LED TV up here behind me, which has got to be the absolute best value for your money TV on the market. We have that sitting on our Salamander Designs Barcelona cabinet, which is available in a variety of different finishes as well as styles that can complement your room's decor. Left and right of the TV, we have the RBH 8300 AXs being powered by a HiFi Rose. All right, guys, I'm gonna take you into this space and go over all the details. Let's go!
What's up, guys? Kellen here from Dreamedia Home Theater. Wanted to make a quick video to show you that you don't always have to have the best or most perfect space in order to create a great experience. Here we're in our living room. It's kind of an open concept. We have a cathedral ceilings. You know, it goes up to 18 feet here in the center. It's roughly 35-ish by 35-ish here in the main living area / dining. Leads into the kitchen. You know, this is more or less what I talk to people on a day-to-day basis. You know, this is what they have. If you don't have the luxury of being able to pre-wire for something ahead of time, or if this is a retrofit, you can still get an exceptional experience with just a TV and towers. To start things off, we have the 100-inch HiSense mini LED TV. This is brand new from HiSense. Fantastic TV, huge. Makes a statement piece in the space that you're wanting to watch it. Sitting on top of a Salamander Barcelona 237. Again, Salamander AV cabinets are exceptionally well built. Here in America, they have different styles, finishes to accommodate and fit into whatever style room that these are going into. Different sizes, heights as well. Inside the cabinet, we have the HiFi Rose 150B. This is their flagship streamer DAC that is going to be pumping the audio from the TV into the RVH towers. Those are the 8300 AX. These are powered or active speakers. You have 600 watts powering the three 8-inch woofers, 300 watts at the 6.5 mid-bass woofers, and then you have 200 watts at your 1.25" AMT tweeters. One of the main benefits of having the active speakers in this space alone is being able to manipulate how I want them to sound or how these speakers are interacting with the space. Most of the time, you're not gonna be able to change the space. So ultimately, you're not gonna be able to change the sound of those speakers. Well, with these speakers being active, I can manipulate the crossovers to add a little more bass, a little more mid-range, or a little more high-end, or roll off the high-end to those AMT tweeters, depending on the peaks and nulls that I'm picking up in the room. So if something is a little too boomy, I can bring the bass down a little bit. If something is starting to rattle or fatigue due to a lot of the open drywall or a lot of bare walls in the space, hardwood floors, you can kind of roll the highs off. Being able to really control the speaker and really dial it into the space is a huge advantage if you are living in a space that you cannot treat with acoustics, or if you're trying to accommodate maybe a spouse that isn't going to allow you to add pictures on the wall or manipulate the space with absorption and diffusion. So you don't always have to have these huge dedicated theater rooms. You know, this is a setup that can accommodate an apartment. You know, obviously we have this in a larger living room as well, but this is something that is very DIY friendly, something that you can set up on your own very easily and get exceptional performance.
All right, Dreamedia family, that is a wrap on this crazy hi-fi setup in a living room. We wanted to give you guys an example of what we see every single day. You guys call us and you're like, can I do a home theater, or can I do some hi-fi audio in this space? Well, luckily here at Dreamedia, yes, we can build a killer dedicated home cinema, but we can also give you a very immersive and high quality audio video experience in any space in your home. So if you have a formal living room, family room, and you want to deck it out, check out some of this gear. And we also have other brands available at more entry-level price points. So reach out today for a free video consultation. Dreamedia is nationwide, and we have free shipping with that free consultation service and all the industry-leading brands to choose from. Well, that's all I got for you today, guys. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up and be sure to smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.